Travel in style with the Travel Select Amsterdam 4-piece expandable rolling luggage set. Red, luxury, durability, and space. Upgrade your travel game with the Travel Select Amsterdam expandable rolling upright luggage set, the luggage set that's here to redefine what it means to travel in style. Unlike other basic luggage sets, this beauty combines luxury with durability, giving you an affordable yet high-end travel experience. With its expandable design offering a 30% increase in packing capacity, you'll never have to worry about squeezing in that extra souvenir or last-minute packing. Made with 1200D two-tone polyester and a PVC-backed front panel, this set is built to withstand whatever the world throws at it. Travel smarter, not harder, with this sleek and reliable set that promises luxury without the hefty price tag. Why settle for ordinary luggage when you can have superior convenience? With the Travel Select Amsterdam luggage, you get a deluxe internal retractable push-button handle system that lets you glide through crowded airports with ease. Its top and side carry handles, paired with a bottom grip handle, ensure effortless lifting and maneuvering, even when it's fully packed. Smooth rolling inline skate wheels with corner protectors add another layer of convenience, ensuring you can effortlessly roll your bags on multiple surfaces without worrying about wear and tear. It's not just luggage, it's your ticket to stress-free travel. We've all been there, battling with messy luggage and disorganized packing. That's where this set shines. Featuring multiple front zippered pockets, large interior zipper pockets, and compression straps, it keeps your items neatly organized, making it easy to access your essentials quickly. No more rummaging through your bag for that one charger or passport. With this luggage, staying organized is as easy as packing. And let's not forget the full-line interior that ensures your belongings are securely stowed, giving you peace of mind every step of the way. Durability? It's practically synonymous with Travel Select Amsterdam. This luggage set is not only built to withstand the rigors of travel, but it also boasts premium craftsmanship that makes it stand out from other sets. Whether you're navigating busy airports or rough terrains, this luggage is designed to go the distance. The inline skate wheels are engineered for smooth travel, while the corner protectors provide extra durability to shield your bag from scuffs and damage. So go ahead, toss it around a bit, this luggage can handle it. In a world of bulky, overpriced luggage options, the Travel Select Amsterdam expandable rolling upright luggage set proves that affordability doesn't have to mean sacrificing quality or convenience. Its thoughtful features, such as the expandable packing capacity and secure compression straps, offer practical solutions for savvy travelers. Lightweight yet incredibly durable, this luggage set can handle everything from a quick weekend getaway to an extended vacation. It's time to invest in luggage that works as hard as you do, reliable, stylish, and a travel companion you can count on for years to come. Say goodbye to boring luggage and hello to effortless, elegant travel.